I'm Lisa Marie. Welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life, where I help you live yours. Today we're going to do something a little different. It's spring, so I'm going to be cleaning off my patio. Now, it's pretty messed up right now, as you can see. The winter took its toll, lots of dead leaves left over, things unorganized. Actually, the flag we had was ruined, and there I've got my tripod thing set up to film when I clean. And look at all those leaves. And then there's a box that I had set up for the outdoor cats so that they could stay warm in the winter. I'm deathly allergic to cats, so they can't come in. And then there's a rug we have to get rid of, and it's just a mess. It's just really a mess. So I'm now going to, in fast motion, clean up the patio and do the best I can. So first I'm going to clear some things out of there so that I can actually deal with the clutter and the leaves and so forth. And so once I get everything kind of moved out of the way, then I've got a nice free area to work with. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those leaves first. I don't know how they got there through the winter. They shouldn't have been there, probably because we had a lot of wind, and I'm thinking that probably caused it. So that was the first task I needed to do, is get rid of the dirt and the leaves. And so fortunately I had a nice bag for that I can put out later for the trash people to come get. And I'm going to get rid of all of it. If I just push it out into the grass, when the wind blows, it comes right back. So I decided to be a little bit more productive and get rid of it for good. And now I'm going to get the last of the little debris here. I mean, it really feels good to get this stuff done. So this is one of the things I'm doing during this shelter-in-place situation, cleaning out cobwebs and things like that. I figured I'd make the most of the time and try to be productive, and then get the rest of the stuff out with my little blower and just try to clean up my patio. Especially when it rains, it gets soaking wet, and if there's dirt there and you walk out, the bottom of your shoes just get filthy. And I have 3 white dogs, so that's 12 paws, and they get so dirty. And now I'm going to hose everything off so that we can, clean it even deeper. I wish I had a high pressure type hose. Boy, that would be nice. I'll have to look into something like that. This one did not have good pressure. It was kind of a pain, actually. I feel like I was there forever. You're just lucky I put it in fast motion. So once I got all of that done, it started to rain. Doesn't it just figure the day I decide to do this, it starts to rain, of course. I am filming this after the rain. This is as far as I did get. It's not 100% done yet. And I'm working on the placement of that decorative fencing to put out there. So right now it's just temporarily sitting there. I haven't put it in the ground. But I am kind of working with that. And hopefully I'll have a nice little setup with the fence so that I can just open the door and my dogs can run out, which is nice. Otherwise they'll run into the woods and I'll never see them again. We live out in the country with a lot of woods. I went over to Lowe's and I decided to do some vegetable gardening. Thank you, Dan's Permaculture Food Forest, for motivating me. And there's still that box for the cats. I'm going to get rid of that. And there's my refuge bag. Like I said, it rained, so I didn't get to deal with everything I needed to. But I'm getting there. I got my ferns up. Oh, there's one of the outdoor cats. His name is Batman. And he has a face that looks like he's got a Batman mask. I'll show you here in just a second. And he's the sweetest little cat. We've known him since he was born. And luckily I get to be around cats only when I'm outside. Otherwise I would literally die. But he's so sweet. Isn't he cute? Anyway, the next thing I did was I went out and I got some ferns. And they are now hanging here on the porch patio. And then I'm going to show you the different vegetables I got. And I got things like lettuce and kale and tomatoes and peppers and some herbs and a few other things here. And I'm just super excited to see if I can do it, and hopefully I won't kill them. I have a tendency to not be very good with plants. I also got some lavender, so that's hanging over here. I haven't really taken them out of the little pot yet, but I will. What are you guys doing during this time? Are you being productive? Are you spending time with your family? Are you relaxing and just enjoying home, enjoying the beauty of nature? This is my backyard and it's just beautiful. And this is just after sunrise a little bit, and it's just so nice to be still and be calm and find that peace. So I hope you're all finding that peace. That helps you live your best life. And even in these times, we can still live our best life. We just need to prioritize and figure out what really matters in life. And I think being at home with your loved ones really matters. So I hope you're all taking advantage of the situation that we are in and making the most of it. And I wish you guys all the best week. So take care, everyone. Thanks for being here. FTW, for the win. It's often used sarcastically, so now you know and you can be part of the conversation. See you next time. Bye.